This segment is sponsored in part by Japan Society.
Well, our fine city is gearing up for a premier film festival.
Yeah, Japan Cuts. Festival of New Japanese Cinema is the largest showcase of contemporary Japanese cinema in North America. The two-week event features 29 films along with actors, directors, and rising stars.
Joining us now is Peter Tatara, Japan Society Director of Film. Welcome, Peter.
Thank you so much.
It's so great to have you. So I had the great pleasure of going to the Japan Society.
I'm so jealous.
It's a wonderful institution
Absolutely
and
beautiful.
space, and now a film festival.
You're right.
So, okay, Japan Society is on East 47th. Give us some insights about what makes this location so special.
Yeah, Japan Society is the premier organization that brings the U.S. and Japan together. We do this through art, culture, business, policy. We reach audiences both here in New York and all around the world. We've been doing this for over a century. This is actually our 116th anniversary.
Yeah, 116.
Oh my gosh.
And when you walk into this space, you immediately feel calm. It is like the city's best kept secret.
I'm still trying to wrap my head around how this is right around the corner.
Right around the corner.
Okay, and this is the 16th annual Japan Cup.
Correct.
So, and I'm told it sells out every year. So what is it that makes this event so special year
So
after year?
it is a festival of new Japanese films. So it's a contemporary movie festival. So it is presenting the best and most diverse and newest films from Japan over the past 12 months, and is the biggest festival of its kind.
Wow.
And what's so exciting this year is this is the first time we are fully back in person since 2019.
Thank goodness.
That part of the movie-going experience is seeing an amazing thing on the big screen. Part of it is seeing it together with the community.
Right.
Yeah.
And I know our audience has been so hungry to come back, so we are thrilled to celebrate Japanese movies together with our audience in our gorgeous, gorgeous theater.
It is a gorgeous theater, and I agree. I think there's something about watching a film with someone else, because after a film, I want to talk about it.
Yeah, you need to debrief
You
immediately.
want to talk, I hated it, I loved it, all this.
Yeah.
So this is a fantastic event also because you have taken over
Yes.
the helm.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
But you have a resume, a CV, unlike, you have an extensive background. Comic-Con.
Hello.
Anime NYC. What personal touches are you putting on this?
So I founded Anime NYC, the biggest anime convention here in New York.
Oh,
so
wow.
there
Just that
are
little thing, yeah.
a little thing. So
We've
there
all
are
heard
a
of
few geeky touches I've added. Our opening night film is called The First Slam Dunk. This is the #1 biggest box office hit in Japan this year. It is based on a classic 90s anime and manga.
Amazing.
We're presenting the East Coast premiere of this film. It has done dynamite all throughout Asia. We're so thrilled to present it in New York.
Wow.
Beyond that, an amazing sci-fi movie, an amazing horror movie, a time travel comedy. But what I love about Japan Cuts is the diversity of the 29 films we're showing, as it's everything from drama, romance, documentary, through to horror and sci-fi. So no matter what you're into, there's a movie for you.
Something for everybody. I like this. I can get
Yeah.
behind this because there's certainly something. I don't do this anything remotely scary, but I can do the comedy and the rom-com. Okay, so we're just 2 weeks away from the festival, July 26th. It
July
kicks off.
26th.
So highlights this year. What do you got for us that's
Yeah,
special?
so-
And then who are we looking to see? What are we looking to see?
Absolutely. So highlights will depend on who you are, what you want to see.
Okay.
But 3 of my favorite highlights.
Okay.
The first is called Under the Turquoise Sky. This is our centerpiece film. It is an absolutely gorgeous, beautiful Japanese-Mongolian co-production. It follows Yuya Yagira, who's this Japanese star who is going to Mongolia to understand himself, this quest of self-discovery. Yuya Yagira will be here in person.
Ooh.
So he's receiving our Cut Above Award, which is our biggest honor.
Excellent.
He'll be at the festival with the director of the film, Tatara. Both will be there for our centerpiece screening, which is already sold out. So we're doing an encore screening as well, with tickets still available.
There we go.
Unbelievable. So for folks who have never attended the film festival before, why is this a can't-miss event?
So looking at the festival, it's the kind of thing where Japan has one of the biggest, the most exciting movie industries in the world. However, very few Japanese movies, except for anime, really come
Make it
to
here.
the US. So what we're presenting, it's close to 30 of the newest and the most diverse films from Japan here in New York. And a lot of these screenings, they're premiere. So this is the first audience that's going to see it.
It's fantastic.
And with a lot of these films as well, they're not shown anyplace else. So this is the first and only
Ooh, it's
time
exclusive.
that you're going to be able to see this.
There we
So
go.
really encourage anyone that whether they're into Japan or movies or anything in between to come out to Japan.
You
Cuts
like
this
having
year.
fun.
Wow. It was a pleasure
Absolutely.
to have met you. Good luck with all the premieres and all the rest. Scan the QR code on the screen to find out how you can get tickets along with this year's lineup of Japan Cuts Festival of Japanese Cinema. Starts on the 26th, ends on August 6th.
Right around the corner.
That's right.
Fantastic.